Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your LED TV can run YouTube. Check if it's a smart TV with an app store or plan to use an external device. Plug the TV into power and connect it to your home Wi-Fi because YouTube streams rely on stable internet. If the app is missing, connect a streaming stick or HDMI device now. Once done, power on the TV and switch to the proper input. Make sure the remote and device are responsive before moving to app setup. Next, open the TV's App Store or your connected device's interface and find YouTube. Install or update the app so you have the latest features. Sign in with your Google account. Either enter credentials with the remote or choose Sign in with phone and enter the pairing code at YouTube.com/activate. Once signed in, sync subscriptions and recommendations to personalize your homepage. Make sure to enable autoplay or captions now if you prefer those settings for playback. Now play a video to confirm everything works. Use the TV remote to search or cast from your phone by tapping the cast icon and selecting the TV. Adjust picture mode and audio output for best clarity and turn on captions if needed. These settings improve visibility and sound quality. If playback stutters or app crashes, restart the router and TV, try a different HDMI port, or reinstall the YouTube app. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most connection and app errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.